everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another double unboxing of my January and February Allure beauty box. So Allure beauty box is undergoing some changes for the new year, as I understand it. It used to come in a box like this, and inside the box the products were just in there. They weren't inside of anything else. The new boxes look like this. So that's something different. And inside there is supposed to be a pouch that has the stuff in it. Let's see. Yep. Inside is a pouch. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box, and for $15 a month you get both full and travel size, they mix it up a little bit, products, and they say it has roughly a $50 to $90 value. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna get. I understood that there's also this little magazine inside. It has like an editorial write-up about each product. And we did know that this January box was supposed to have 2 Sunday Riley exclusive products. And when I say exclusive, not just exclusive Allure Beauty exclusive, but exclusive like they're not out yet. Or they weren't in January. They probably are by now. So let's look inside my new little snap pouch. Off to a great start. This one is broken. I picked it up, things started falling out. But it has snaps. Well, let's see what fell out. The thing that fell out is a Melly Evercolor Shadow Stick in the shade Burnished Bronze. The bronze eyeshadow is good for making smoky eyes, and it smudges nicely. Has a creamy formula and blends well. Let's see. Oh, I like that. That's lovely. I like that a lot, actually. Okay. Shimmery Melly stick. The next thing I can pull out of here. Let's see. The Way Scalp and Body Scrub. I like a multi-purpose product. Scalp, body. We ain't fancy here, we do it all. The Way Scalp and Body Scrub works well everywhere because it buffs with sugar, which is gentle. It made this editor's legs less ashy and got product buildup off her scalp. Nice. Use it on wet hair before shampooing and rinse it out really well if you're going to use it on your scalp. Okay. Okay, Way. Next thing I am pulling out of my bag is Call My Agent. NCLA Beauty, Los Angeles. It's a 7-free, vegan and cruelty-free luxury nail lacquer. In the color Call My Agent. Which is a really pretty kind of a red. But very bright. Very bright red. I don't see it in here, so I guess it's a bonus? Well, let's put it on the side there. Sunday Riley. Here's one of the 2 Sunday Riley products that we heard so much about before this box came. A+ high dose retinoid serum. It is a lightweight retinol product, but it is, whoa, excuse me. Yeah, it's a high dose of retinoids. Advanced strength retinoid serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts. Whew, sounds intense! The Sunday Riley CEO Glow Base Oil. I like oils. That's pretty big. With vitamin C, turmeric, and evening primrose for brightening, hydrating, and glowing. I'm so excited to try this CEO Glow face oil. If you use an oil and a moisturizer, put the oil over top of the moisturizer, because usually a oil can get through the moisturizer layer, but if you do it the other way, your moisturizer just won't work. It won't do anything because it sits up atop the oil layer. Pro tips. Okay, I'm reaching back in. I've got a Deuce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry. This is a dark berry red. This is a large size lip crayon, first of all. I have been really liking berry colors lately for lipsticks. This one's very rich. It would probably look way better with this shirt than the red that I'm wearing right now, actually. Yeah, totally. Allure was like, girl, that red doesn't match your shirt. Let me help you. Thank you, Allure, for looking into my soul and my future. And the last thing I see in here is tiny beauty blenders. Beauty Blender Micro Minis. These are really cute, man. You can use it for your concealer around your eyes so that you can do really fine detail work. Look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Why are you so cute? There's 2 of them in there. I have a tiny green one and it's pretty cool, so it really helps you get right around there. If you want to put your concealer on like after your shadow application, gets you nice and close because it's so cute and small. Alright, well that is everything inside the January box. My favorite thing is this CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. I love vitamin C products. They're really good for red people like me. Let us see what is in the other box. Come at me, February. Oh, okay. A pouch is a different color. This one is not torn at the seams. Huzzah! I like this. It's really cute. Okay. So me really wish that first one hadn't been ripped up. Even more. There is a coupon for Gorjana jewelry. $25 gift. Let's see what else is in here. A makeup brush. This one is very fluffy. It would appear to be very fluffy. It's fluffy, it's slightly angled this way. Lightweight, not as heavy as it looks. I don't know if I think that's a good thing or a bad thing. Let's see if there's any word on that in here. This is a Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush for soft, precise shading. I see, it's a shading brush. Good for smoky eyes and shading. I gotta admit, I just use what I have. I'm totally bad at using the proper brushes for the proper things. But since they told me what this is for, I will perhaps try to use it appropriately. Mamond Flower Lab Essence Mask. This is Rose. I love sheet masks. Sheet masks fill me with joy. You could have gotten any of a variety of masks. So I got Rose. I'm sure it smells nice. Moving on. Paraben free, what is this? Laritzi Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Bear. I mean, Bear is more of a petal pink, to be honest. Stop being blown out. There you go. It's not so petal pink. I guess it's pretty bare. It's kind of a terracotta-y color. Next. The brow gel. Tanya Crooks. Tinted brow gel with microfibers. Tinted brow gel, like it says. Brow groomer. Not crunchy. Kind of chill. Okay. Brow gel. With like some little fibers for layering in. Cool. Cool, dude. Petal Spa. Mamond Petal Spa Oil to Foam. Rose. Like my mask. It matches. And this is an oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleaning that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. I already use an oil cleanser and a foam cleanser, so it seems like this does that all in one step. The sheet mask is Korean, so I'm guessing it's a K-Beauty product. Yep, just like you said. K-Beauty Techniques often use oil cleanser and a foam cleanser. This one makes it one step. The person who tried it editorially says it did a good job removing her makeup. Sweet. Model Company Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Oh, those are nice. It just says it is a trio. It doesn't say what the color names are. I'll just do a one swipe. No extra prep. those are the 3 colors. The light one is on top, and I guess it doesn't show up very well. To make it, yeah, it's hard to see. Well, that's what you get with one swipe. I didn't press too hard. Just a normal kind of deep. It might work better with like a damp brush or something. Burgundy, pinky champagne, and brown with a sheer wash of glitter. I was right. It says for intense color, spray your brush with a little water first. I always use these with a wet brush because for extra pigmentation. So good call me, it would show up much better if you used a wet brush, as I originally guessed. The final thing in here is Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. It's a pretty big tube. It is a volumizing and lengthening mascara. And Drama Lengthen Volume. Sounds good. These are cool. The thing I am most excited about in this box, February half, is definitely this oil cleanser to foam. Because like I said, I already do oil, I already do foam. And anything that saves me time is awesome, because I have like 6 steps of cleansing and it takes so long. So cutting out a step isn't going to make me mad, that's for sure. What did you like the best in these boxes? Do you think the Sunday Riley drops for January were really cool like I do? The reason that heavy duty retinol hadn't been released in America yet was because the retinol level was too high, I think, for an over-the-counter or something. So, forget I said that. I'm not sure if that's true. I feel like I read that, but maybe I'm making it up. I don't feel confident now. But anyway, thank you for watching. It was very exciting to open these. I have waited so long because I wanted to share it with you guys, and I just wasn't able to get on camera. But it is such a relief to finally get into these boxes, because I was looking forward to seeing the change in packaging for Allure and the different products. Also, especially those 2 new Sunday Rally products. There was so much buildup. And then I had to wait so long to open the box, so I'm so happy to be here opening it with you now. I hope that you had fun too, and just have a really great day wherever you're at. Bye. For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. To see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll stick my last Allure Beauty box down at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on my face.